In today's video, I will walk you through how to clear Claude AI cache. Start by opening the Apps menu. Depending on your device, this is usually the icon with three horizontal lines in the top left corner. If you don't see that icon, look along the app's top bar for a help option, or open the main menu from your profile or settings icon. Different layouts may place these controls in slightly different locations. The goal is to get into the app's main menu so you can reach the Help section. Once the menu is open, select Help. Then choose Troubleshooting. Inside the Troubleshooting section, look for the option labeled Clear Cache and Restart. Select Clear Cache and Restart. You may see a confirmation message asking you to confirm that you want to proceed. Confirm the action. The app will then close and relaunch. During the restart, the cache is cleared and the app comes back in a fresh state. After the app reopens, give it a moment to reinitialize. The first load may take a little longer than usual while the cached resources are recreated. Once the restart is complete, check the app to make sure everything is working as expected. Navigation and screens should now load normally. If you had unsent drafts or offline content, check them after the restart to make sure they are still present. You can also check your preferences to make sure they still look right, particularly any visual or accessibility settings. If you continue to notice issues after clearing the cache, check for app updates. That's it. You have now cleared the Claude AI cache and restarted the app. Thank you for watching.